Viprush Technologies is a Government of India recognized startup providing one-stop solutions for tailor-made software and hardware, which include services like computer vision application, data analysis and prediction models, CAD modeling and designing services, mobile and web applications, desktop applications, PCB designing and development services, 3D printing services, automation, IoT applications, hardware and embedded system applications, long-range wireless applications. We adopt a foolproof process for complete product development under one roof. 1. Deep understanding of your requirement. 2. Requirement confirmation to bring both the parties on the same page. 3. Excellent R&D, technical designs and system architecture design. 4. Software-based simulation and testing. 5th, we design beautiful PCBs and other hardwares. 6th, to send these PCBs for fabrication and assembly. 7th, we develop software and firmware required for the application. 8th, designing an attractive enclosure for the hardware. 9th, 3D printing of the CAD model for rapid prototyping. 10. Rigorous testing. 11th, project delivery. We provide complete support for the installation of the system at your place. And the process does not end here. We do take care of your annual maintenance and regular servicing. For any customized technology solutions, you are most welcome at Viprush Technologies. We help you to bring ideas to the real world. Visit us now.